For the past month, I have been learning about mobile UX designs. With that, I have learned that quality is a degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfill requirements, which basically means that when it comes to quality, it isn't just like how good it is or how good it looks, it's how complete it is. So if it fulfills all the user's requirements from head to toe, then you have great quality. If your app crashes or doesn't fulfill one of the user's requirements, it's not quality material at all. Also, what I have learned is with navigation, there are different questions that I should ask, such as where am I, how did I get here, how do I go back, where can I go, and how do I get there. With the user, if they encounter a dead end in your app, they're going to feel like they're already done using it, despite the fact they missed out on potential uses for it. So if you were doing a newsletter app and there was a dead end when you signed in, they're going to feel like they're done, despite the fact they could have used other features in it. So it's important to make sure that your user isn't just stuck and has multiple exits to go to and fro from. My message towards those who are coming into mobile user experience is to understand your user. If you can understand the needs of the user and find a way to solve the problem, then you are taking great steps towards a good user experience. With users, you're designing your apps for the users, so meaning you're not going to put everything that you want in it, but what they want. So if you wanted to add some features that benefits you but not the user, your user isn't really going to like that and just use a different app. Because you have to remember, there's one of you, but there's a completely, multitude of users, so it's best to go for their needs. The only thing that I was surprised to learn about was how to connect with users this month, because it didn't hit me that users had many different reasons for using an app than just having one large similar reason. Because when it comes to app making, you're going to go for whatever user wants, but collectively, but there are different users who have different needs. So for example, with the news app, some police officer might want to use it to put wanted posters up, while some parents might want to use it just to put up a sign up for a soccer camp or something. So it really just means that people are going to have a different experience based on their personal lives. So you really might not know it at first, but the more the people who use your app, the more you'll be able to see it. With my news app, what I did for the login was when a user opens the app, instead of just asking them for their username and password continuously, all I did was just let them go to the content, freely as a guest. Because in all honesty, a user isn't really going to like putting in their password over and over. So it's better to let them just get to whatever they want to first and then sign up later. With the checkout flow, I wanted to make sure that it was quick, fast, and easy instead of long and tedious, so I included 3 screens, and not only that, a way for a user to see which screen they were on, so they know they didn't have a long amount of time to go until they finished. And not only that, after they're done, they'll be able to immediately use all the features that they want with the subscription, like being able to add events and everything else in the app. And with that, yeah, I feel like they're going to like it.